On a heavy-duty truck, there is almost always going to be multiple batteries used to start the unit and help power all the lighting and accessories. If any part of the system does not work as designed, it will lead to starting problems, charging issues, and will affect the life of the batteries themselves. For this reason, the battery system should be inspected and maintained regularly. Always make sure you are wearing safety glasses, gloves, and if using insulated tools possible to avoid electrical shorts, and always disconnect the negative side of the batteries completely before disconnecting the positive side. To properly test the battery packs, all the batteries must be tested separately with all cables and tie cables or straps removed. This makes sure there cannot be one battery bad in a pack that may not be detected during testing or one of the pack of one big battery. The tools used in testing will report state of charge, available cold cranking amps, and overall internal condition of the batteries. These testers are high-quality battery testing equipment that uses special software to accurately test batteries to help identify if a battery's reliability is compromised. With this information, the system can be serviced correctly to help minimize the likelihood of a costly breakdown. When reassembling the battery pack, all the battery posts should be cleaned of any corrosion, dirt, or grease. All battery tie cables should be cleaned. All battery connections should be cleaned before assembly to the battery tie straps. Ensuring all connections are clean will help prevent voltage drops or voltage loss at the connections. Post-type battery nuts should be torqued at about 9 foot-pounds. Then all connectors should be protected with terminal sealant. This will prevent future corrosion from damaging the terminals and connections. The technicians at Iron Maintenance know that your truck is your livelihood, and we have the knowledge and the equipment to keep your truck, trailer, and even your RV in safe and reliable condition. Please visit our website at www.irontruck.com for more information and locations.